Jai Hind dear students. Today we will discuss more challenging questions given in chapter Square and Square Root in Maths Comet. So the first one is, if root 2401 is equal to under root 7 to the power x, then find the value of x. So how to solve this question? For that, first of all, we have to prime factorize 2401. So let's check what is the prime factorization of 2401. So this is the prime factorization of 2401. So we write square root of 2401 is equal to under root 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, which will be equal to 7 to the power 4. So on equating under root 7 to the power 4 with under root 7 to the power x, because that will be equal to under root 2401 is equal to under root 7 to the power x. So we may equate both of them and we will get x is equal to 4. So this is our answer. Now this is the next question, in which Mohit travels 12 km towards north and then some distance towards east. Finally he reached at a distance of 15 km from initial position. Find the distance traveled by him towards east. So in this question we have to draw a figure. Okay, so Mohit travels 12 km towards north. So if this is the starting point, so we may draw like this way. This is the north direction. So Mohit travels 12 km. This is north direction is 12 km. Okay, then from here then he travels some distance toward east. So some distance you have to take some like this much distance. This is east direction. So some distance, suppose that distance is x kilometers. So and finally he reached here this point. Finally he reached at a distance of 15 km from initial position. This is the initial position and the distance from this point to this point is 15 km. This is 15 km. So we should find out the distance traveled by him in east direction, okay, towards east. So this distance we have to find out x. So as we know, this is a right angle triangle. Suppose it is A, B and C. So we may find out BC. So we should apply Pythagoras theorem in it and find x. So since this is hypotenuse, AC is hypotenuse, so x is equal to, or x square is equal to, this is base square is equal to hypotenuse square, means 15 square minus 12 square. We will do this and find the value of x square. So 15 square is 225 minus 12 square is 144. When we subtract 144 from 225, so we will get 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0, so 81. So x square is equal to 81. Okay, so x is equal to square root of 81 and this will be equal to 9. So the distance we will get x is equal to 9. So in the final answer we will write he traveled 9 km towards east. So this is the answer. Mohit traveled 9 km towards east. Now come to the next question. This is question number 3, in which we have to find out the greatest 3-digit number which is a perfect square. Okay, so first of all we know the greatest 3-digit number is we know it is 999. So we have to check is 999 is a perfect square or not by doing using division method. Okay, So we may check 999. So we should do the pair from uh, ones place. So here it is 9. We will use 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 is added this side, so 3 plus 3 6. Leave one place. 9 minus 9 is 0, and we may take out 99 as down. Okay, then we should take, if we take 2, so 62 twos are 124, which is greater than 99, so we may take 61 ones are, so 61 ones are 61. Here we'll subtract and here we'll add, so it becomes 62, and here it becomes 9 minus 1 is 8, and 9 minus 6 is 3, so 38 is left as a remainder. So since this is the greatest 3-digit number, so it is not a perfect square, it leaves 38 as a remainder. It means if 38 is not left, in 999, then that number must be a perfect square. So the required number is 999 minus 38. The required number is 999 minus the remainder that is left, which is 38. So do the subtraction and we'll get 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 9. 961 is the answer. So, and this is the square of 31, as it is a square of 31. So the right answer is 961.